We're sitting in a facility by virtue of a partnership that we have with Kohler, and that is purely strategic. That is done on the national level. Last year we were at LG at their corporate facility in New York State. Same thing, these are vendors, multi-billion national vendors that want to align with Alair on a very corporate national level. That gives us access to information that we simply wouldn't have at a local level.
Having Alair at Kohler has been super meaningful to me and the entire team because Alair embodies the same culture as Kohler Company as far as the values towards really listening to the clients, design, innovation, solution provider to be a real true resource and build the best product for their homeowners where we believe we have the best products for those homes. So it's like a partnership in ingenuity and having wonderful products and services, and then the people of both companies. So there's a real good culture fit as well.
As we get more and more involved with our vendors, get to know them at more personal levels, from our builder partners down to our project managers, we start to develop these relationships that allow us to share what's beneficial for our clients at the end of the day, what's going to make our jobs be more efficient, what are cutting edge things in the industry, what's coming out that could make people live better in their homes. As these relationships deepen, I think those are the things that allow us to just have much better conversations. Our tagline is living better starts here, and we believe that whatever we can do to extend that all the way across the board to everyone involved is just going to elevate the experience for everyone.